Somebody please get this man a
game ender butterfly knife. Hey! That's what he said. He said, hey. The hell out of the game. Noah. You thought, okay. How the fuck I miss? Bitch! Bitch!
fuck you!
Bro, I wanna kill myself.
The fuck wrong with you? The fuck wrong with you? The fuck wrong with you?
Bitch! Oh shit, don't say that word, bro. Reminiscent of racism.
Bro, what are you buying over there?
He's just standing there like a fucking idiot. Okay.
Fuck you!
Don't give no fucks. He thought he could win. He thought he. Do some Bullet Force ASMR. Best gun in the game. This is his first day playing this fucking game. There's no way he just stands there after that shit. What the fuck? Man, get the fuck out of here. Get out with your bullshit. I hit that. Mark Hamill. Oh, can't move that. 8 streak, baby. Oh, but he's still beating me. That's some bull. Well, ain't that a bitch? Ah, that's beautiful when your game randomly has like a million fucking ping. Oh, okay.
Yep, that's me.
Oh, one more frame. Dude, it's a race! Dude, if I beat this guy, y'all fucking blank, I'm out. What does that mean? What does that mean? What's that mean?
What?
Yeah, we're both confused. Dude, if I fucking win this, imagine. Come on. Oh, come on! Well, I'm gonna go jack off. Come. Bloggers guy. I have cancer. That's pretty goddamn funny. T.
Sick a cock.
Got him!
Shit.
Fuck out the way.
Yeah. Get out of here, World Warfare. No one likes your game.
Kilimanjaro.
Fuck! I'm only 10 away, boys. Come on, pray for me. Some bullshit. Picaye. Okay. This is my type of game right here, boy. Good game. Bienvenue power bottoms. What? My game is lagging.
Oh, you lagging? Nah!
Holy cow! The tip of the dick. How the f? The aim's on point. Aim's on point. Huh? Hello. Oh, you love that deagle, don't you, buddy? Got him. Got. Die. I shot him through the bush. Oh, hell out of here, bro. Coming in here, shoving his junk in my face. Oh my god, I'm nuts right now. What the? That's illegal in 7 states. Bro, I went through all that shit and I'm still not winning.
Pause.
Mr. Dagger? Mr. Dagger, you son of a snake. No way Mr. Dagger wins this. They call him Mr. Dagger, but I haven't seen him use a single dagger. What the 30-hour reload animation. The boy next door.
The Waverly Place on tomorrow. Fuck you, Zimmer. Some of this. Yes.
Oh, god damn it, Mr. Dagger, you such a fucking gamer.
Fuck you!
No, Mr. Dagger, my arch nemesis. No! And whatever, good game. Hola, señorita.
Skip it up. Fuck out the way.
What the hell? Man. Oh, on a streak. Oh, what the dumbass keeps fucking ruining everything. Cheese curds.
Up your ass.
I'm not letting that boy win, boy. That's what I go. Beautiful. I don't know if I'm fast enough to catch up with this boy. I love Mr. A Dagger. Come back here, foe. You ain't no foe to me. Bitch ass guy in the distance over there.
I know you love that shit, man.
I'm not gonna win this match. Is what I'm being told right now. I'm stuck. God damn this fucking guy! Damn it, Mr. Dagger. What is this dumbass doing? Whoa! Buttercream? Yeah, okay, buddy. Oh, I don't miss. This motherfucker's 10 kills away from me. How does he do it? What's your secret, bro? What's your secret? Hey, you don't aim for me. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, on the street now. Use the you counter UV. I don't give a fuck. I'm catching up, boy.
What the f just happened?
Oh, dude, if I manage to catch up, it's over for him. God damn it, Mr. Dagger. Mr. Dagger poses more of a threat than this foe guy. My arch nemesis. Oh my god, I'm so fucking close. I'm tasting.
Change the world. My final message. Goodbye.
Get the fuck out of here. Dang. These names are so random. Fuck you, foe. Fuck you, foe. Fuck you, foe. Come here.
Nope.
You're not that guy.
You're not that guy.
I'm about to be that guy in a second.
Nub.
What's going on?
Mr. Dagger, come back here. I have a question for you. It involves me using this gun. Dude, there's no way. Hey, no way. Oh, hello. Oh no, my internet. This is a bad time for my internet to eat some shit, huh? Of course, there's always someone fucking behind me. There's always someone behind me. That's the hilarious part of this video game, is that there's always someone digging up your asshole in this game.
What?
Foe. That's not foe. Well, this was a good game.
Game over, yeah!
Thought about killing myself.
Eat my fucking dick! Oh shit! Wow. I can finally die at peace, knowing I just jizzed on my monitor. Thank you for watching. Don't let the haters jizz on your monitor. GG!
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.